Then 9/11. And then all the roles that are coming up are all about terrorism. And then religion starts coming to play. And anybody who has a beard, you know, attractive ones like yourselves, you know, could you play terrorist number 1 and terrorist number 3? We have to build a culture in our community, whatever community we're working within, but within film and TV, of supporting one another. And I'm finding that the community that we've got now, that mindset has changed.
Are people coming to you saying, we have this Muslim scene in this TV show, how do we portray it in the best way possible?
Exactly that. So when I have an initial consultation with the producers and the directors, for example, there is this light bulb moment for them, which is, we didn't know that about Islam. We didn't get that. That's really interesting. And for them, they've learned something. Aik Cup Chai.